Hey y'all, so we are currently headed to do our walkthrough of the house. I'm super excited. We have Kaz and Zuri here with us. You wanna say hey?
Hey.
But yeah, so we're about to go do that, and I'll show y'all when we get there.
I would like to get to know if you could.
Hello, you guys. Hello,
Hello,
beautiful beings.
guys.
So,
Sorry.
okay, hold on. Let me talk, okay? Okay, you wait. Let me talk, okay?
Okay.
All right. So we are in a new place. As y'all can see, we got our keys today. We are in our new home.
No, that's me.
You say hi?
No, that's I'll go home.
You want to go home? This is your new home.
No, let's go home.
Okay. So she has not gotten used to the new house yet. Of course, we just got the keys maybe 2 hours ago. So very crazy. So we haven't been here very long. I have been cleaning. I have cleaned the downstairs half bath, which is over here. And then I cleaned my bathroom, and I have the kids' bathroom upstairs to clean, and the kitchen, as far as like sanitizing. And then after I do that, I'm going to, oh goodness, as y'all can see what he has been doing. Jamil went to get Riley off the bus, so I'm here with them by myself. But yeah, after I finish cleaning the kitchen and the bathrooms, I'm going to dust and clean the baseboards because they look pretty not up to my par. So I'm gonna clean them and disinfect, and I'm gonna go through and yeah, clean the windows, the window sills, dust all of that. He's sleepy. He's so sleepy. Oh, did y'all see what I did to his hair? I don't know if I showed y'all his hair. He showed me a butt balls. Say hey, look at my butt balls. Look at my baby hair. Yo, he just had a whole screaming battle just a minute ago. Like he was just screaming his head off while I was cleaning the bathroom. So he's upset and he's tired. So I'm gonna try to nurse him a little bit, get him to sleep. And I will talk to y'all later. As y'all can see, I'm sweaty and I'm hot. So yeah, let me get back to it, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I did want to just go ahead and include a little tour, a quote-unquote unfinished house tour. Here we walk in from the front door. I just showed y'all. You see the stairs. This is the living room. As you can see, we did start bringing a few things in. Over there is the dining room. So we're gonna definitely put a table there. And from the dining room, we can walk. Y'all heard Ziggy just ask for juice. Okay, hold on. This is the living room. I really love my living room. It's so nice. I love the high ceilings. That's what I really wanted in a home. I really wanted high ceilings. She over here drink her juice all loud, Lordy. But then you can go into the kitchen. Now, the kitchen is not my favorite. I can say a little tip to everybody out there who's manifesting their dream home or, you know, their dream apartment or whatever you're trying to get. Be very, very, very specific with every single room because you're going to get it. But yeah, we have the backyard. It is fenced in. And yeah, this is the like kitchen dining area. We'll probably use this like the breakfast little. We're probably gonna put a small table there, but yeah, that's the kitchen. We're getting a new fridge also. So if you saw that fridge there, we currently have a new fridge already. That's the pantry. And yeah, so move on. Then there is a closet right across from that. I'm guessing it's just like a coat closet. I'm gonna use it for all my cleaning supplies and extra things that I, just need to store. Now, if you go back around to the front door, this first door here is the garage door. And that's the garage. And then over here is the half bath. And it's just simple. It's just a sink and the toilet. That's all in the half bath. I hope it's not too noisy in my background, y'all. Zuri over here watching her iPad and stuff. But yeah, come out of there, and if you keep walking down this little hallway, the kitchen is over to the left, but if you keep straight, that is the laundry room, and then off to the right is the master bedroom, which I love. I love the fact that it is downstairs and it's away from everybody. So once I get these little ones out of my bed, I can really enjoy, you know, having my own room and being away from kids. So I really do enjoy that. Here is the bathroom. It does have the double like French doors. So yeah, that's pretty cute. You walk in here, it's very open. There is more storage there. I'm guessing that's like the linen closet. And then here is the master closet. It is not that big, but honestly, I'm the only person that hangs my clothes up. Jamil does not hang his clothes up. He usually just folds his stuff. So yeah, it works great for me. And there is the tub and the shower. Super, super nice. Super happy with that. There's the toilet, and we have double sinks. So yeah, that's the bathroom, or the master bathroom. And you come right on out of there and go back out. Oh, look at Zuri. She's like trying to help her dad put the lights outside, the little spotlight lights, so that, you know, when it's dark outside, it's still a little bit of light. But yeah, y'all, let's head upstairs. Alrighty, now as soon as you get upstairs to the right, this is going to be Riley's room. We gave him this room because it's a bit cool. That closet there is where the furnace is, but this room has the little sun window, as I just pointed to y'all. But this big closet, this is actually a closet, y'all. I know it's like, this is a closet. It doesn't look like a closet. We're not using it as a closet. We're going to use it as Riley's little boy cave. He's going to have his game in there, or he does have his game in there right now. We're going to get him a futon, some beanbag chairs, all of those things, and just really deck it out for him. If y'all have any ideas, please be sure to, you know, let me know. I hope to make it, you know, super cute for him. This is Zuri's room. She did pick this room. I kind of anticipated her having the farther room, and then, you know, just to put a little bit of room in between her and Riley. But she wanted this room. Excuse you, Zuri. She just put it. Lord have mercy. But she has a big closet. It's big enough for all her toys. So that's a good thing. This is the bathroom here. The upstairs bathroom. So I'm pretty sure Riley's going to be the main one using this one. And then here is the fourth bedroom and the closets. Sorry. Here's the fourth bedroom, and yeah, that's it. All right, so I think that is pretty much it. Here's a little overview of what it looks like from upstairs. Like I said, I love the high ceilings. It really does make me happy. I really wanted that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, y'all, for the tour.
Yeah. What's good, yo? I would like to get to know if it could be.
Tired. I hope you pull directly beside me. Cause why you do that? Yeah. It has been such a busy day. Like extremely, extremely busy. Turn it down a little bit. I'm tired. Very, very tired. We got our U-Haul loaded up. Jamila's driving the U-Haul. I'm in my car. As you can see, we are loaded down. I have Kaz and Zuri with me. We are loaded. I just stopped at Kroger to grab a few things, a few toiletry items. I still forgot to get lotion. We haven't had lotion for almost 2 weeks now. I bought like a little small thing from the hair store one time because I keep forgetting to grab it. And the small thing is gone. So I gotta get lotion still. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm leaving Kroger now. We headed to the new house, and yeah, we have about 2 hours to unload this truck so that we can get it back to U-Haul before 6:30. We waited for Riley to get out of school so that we wouldn't have to rush back to come get him. So yeah, now we're just rushing to get the truck unloaded because we don't want to be charged extra. So yeah. I also got some snacks and stuff for the kids from Kroger because yesterday Zuri kept saying she was hungry, she wanted juice, so I just went ahead and got her some juice and a few snacks. I think we're gonna order pizza tonight. I'm not 100% sure. We don't really need to spend any more money, honestly, but we're trying to make that like our tradition on the first night to order pizza. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, y'all, that's what we're doing. I think I'll show y'all when we get to the new house, maybe. It's been so hectic, so I haven't really been able to pick up the camera and just show y'all much. I'm so sorry. But yeah, we rocking and rolling, y'all. We rocking and rolling. So I'll see y'all in a bit. Hey y'all, so this is the editing, Kiana. I did not close out this video, but I am gonna end it here. Yeah. Stay tuned for my next video because as you can see there's something going on, so just stay tuned. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I know I did a lot of talking in this video, but I hope that y'all liked it. I hope. But yeah, if nobody has told you recently, just know that I love you. You are important, you matter, and you're amazing. Bye y'all.